What's up, you guys? Jose here. Thank you again for tuning in for my show every single Monday. And today's video is going to be about what I have for breakfast, which is kind of time to eat breakfast right now. So I'm going to show you what I eat for breakfast. Then we're going to go over and stretch. We're going to do some mobility work today at the gym because if you're having a problem like going into depth doing the squats, then these couple poses of stretching is going to help you out going more into depth. Then after the stretching part, we're gonna come back and we're gonna cook. I'm gonna cook chicken. I have some broccoli. I have some sweet potato and potatoes, and that's what I'll be preparing today for a couple days. But yeah, thank you again for the support. Like, comment, and I'll see you in the next clip.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. We could be taking control. 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 If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. We could be taking control. 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 Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
Alright guys, just went down. Got my meals over here for the week. Well, for tomorrow. Some of today. Focus. Got some sweet potatoes, broccoli, and chicken. Right here too. Same over here. And each serving of chicken is 145 grams of chicken, which equal to like 46 grams of protein. And this is my meal right now. There you have it, guys. And I got more left over. Bam. That's it. Simple, easy, solid.